Sumila, a 12-year-old Karbi girl from a remote area of West Karbi, Anglong district, was brutally murdered in Raha town, Nagaon district by her employer. She was working as domestic servant for 5 years and was sexually assaulted regularly for 5 years. And yes, as per the Assam State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, she was not just killed, but she was pregnant before she was killed. She was about to tell these things to the people all around. The employer bought her to assist in their household activities with a deal to offer her a quality education and bright future. But the same employer burnt her and her dreams in the broad daylight on 22nd of April 2021, and sadly she could not get saved by anyone around. And what's more shocking to believe, no news has been published in state media, no support has been given by the state government as well.
We want justice for Sumila. Support from Philippines.
We want justice! 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 We want justice! Justice! Justice!
Montane